channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. So if you're here, then you know why you're here. And I'm just gonna hop right into this video because my grandmother bought me a name necklace a few years ago, and my little brother popped it. He pulled on it, popped it, and I don't know what happened to it since. I'm so sad about it. So my mom found me this website on Instagram. I think it's on Instagram, and it's called Silviax. So I went ahead and ordered from them a name necklace because I really wanted a name necklace and I just wanted it to like throw on every now and then. So like I said, the site is called Silviax and it's personalized jewelry. And oh my God, okay, so I am about to see what this looks like. Okay, so they give you a little cleaning cloth here to clean it. Oh, it's cute. Okay, so it comes in this little pocket thing. Okay, let me put this here so it can focus on it. Okay, so we have this little, and this is how the necklace came. Okay, don't play with the necklace. Don't play with Silviax. So I ordered the 16-inch necklace. And I ordered the, oh my gosh, y'all. This necklace, so oh my gosh. So let me do it like this, so we can, oh my gosh, look at the quality of this necklace. It's so cute. All right, it's double plated. Oh my goodness, it's super, super cute. Okay, and it feels very heavy. Like it doesn't feel like it's going to pop or anything. Wow. So this feels really good. I paid about 60 bucks for this. And I am so freaking happy with how this came out. Wow. Hold on, let me tuck my chains. Let me tuck my chains. All right, so look at that. Okay, let's zoom in a bit. Oh, it's so nice. It's just what I wanted it to be. And it says Ashley, of course. Oh my gosh, y'all. So please go and check this site out. It's affordable, personalized jewelry. If you are wanting a name necklace, you know, I've always had a name necklace. I just wanted another one. Didn't want to spend an arm and a leg for it. Go and check out Silviax. Right here, Silviax personalized jewelry. It took about, it said it was gonna take 7 to 10 business days? Or did it say like, it said like 3 or 4 weeks before I would get it, but it came so much faster than that. I ordered it on Christmas, and it is what, January 16th? Yeah, and it came from California, so I don't know. It didn't take that long. I feel like the time flew by, and this is very good quality. This is not lightweight. It's not shallow. This is actually a good quality necklace. Like, oh my gosh, this is worth $60. Like, are you serious? I can't even tell that. This is only a $60 necklace. Oh my goodness. It's crazy because this is like a real reaction right now because I'm so satisfied. Like, what? 60 bucks for this heavy duty feeling chain and this nice, oh my goodness. Okay, anyways guys, that is that's my video for today. I wanted to do this unboxing of this necklace because I had just got it. I tried out an Instagram website that my mom recommended. So I definitely recommend that you guys go and try out this site if you are looking for a name necklace that is actually worth paying, you know, your money for. Go ahead and check them out because I'm super satisfied. I wouldn't steer you wrong. This is so cute. This is all I wanted. I wanted like a everyday kind of dainty necklace, name necklace, just like my last one I had to wear every day, and this did the job. This was money well spent. It didn't take that long to get to me. Don't expect for it to come within a week, but it did not take that long to get to me. So guys, check them out on their website. I believe it's Silviax.com. I'll leave the website in the bio. And thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if they got a little referral code, I'ma find it and put it in the description box. And y'all use your girl's referral code if they have it, because this is not paid promotion. I just wanted to go ahead because I tried this out on faith that I would actually get the product, and I got the product, and I'm satisfied. I'm super satisfied. Anyways, thanks for tuning in to Everything Ashley TV. I'll see you guys on the next video.